Hello space explorers. Today I'm going to show you a technique I use for grinding based on ring rocks, with some details that make a difference. Our journey begins on Uranus, and I'll show you right away how to identify ring rocks, even from afar. Flying parallel to the ring of Uranus, you may notice a flickering glow, which simply indicates the presence of a ring rock. Can you see it? It looks a bit like the way centaur minerals glow from afar. As you get closer, the brightness changes a bit, but the rock becomes clearer. So all you have to do is go to it and mine. Be aware of Uranus' gravity pull, which is powerful and can easily pull you away from the spaceship. After the first ring rock, you can look for another one and continue mining. You may want to just change the angle a bit and move away to find more ring rocks. With a little patience, you can soon find a good angle to search for the ring's rocks. Again, just identify the flickering glow of ring's rock. And then, it will be just a matter of diving towards it and grabbing it. See how clear it is now. Sometimes it can be good to invest some time to adjust the angle and position of the ship, as this will save time when mining. Just use the jetpack a little bit to get to ring's rocks. After mining, it's time to jetpack spam. To return to the ship and look for more ring rocks. Then we see the glow of a ring rock once more. Notice how different it is from a common rock. Could you notice the big difference? This time our angle isn't so good, so the price will be to fight a bit against Uranus' gravity pull. And now let's check out the benefits of a VIP jetpack. Wow, the rock was a ring's crystal. It looks like we're in for a very promising grind. Our work on Uranus is done, with great success. Now it's time to visit another great Lord of the Rings. Saturn rises on the horizon, in a splendid view. An extremely dangerous planet when it comes to conquering its orb, strong in terms of its gravity pull, but also generous in terms of its resources and mysteries. Let's not forget that it houses the Shepherd Prism, a key piece to obtain the MiuMiu orb in Namaka. On Saturn, the tactic I use to find ring rocks is a little different than on Neptune. Basically, I tried to fly from the top of Saturn, where the hexagon is, to the sides, staying above. Seen from above they are not so difficult to identify, and so when I find one, I dive like a falcon would towards its prey. Just remember that it's easy to lose sight of a ring rock on Saturn, so it's best to approach more slowly. Don't underestimate gravity pull, or you'll be thrown away from the spaceship. Now let's look at another rock found, using the same technique of gliding up and down when there is a rigged rock. As you can see, it is generally not that difficult to identify them among Saturn's rings. When possible, it is recommended to find the best position and angle to mine more easily. Cool, we have another rings crystal. Each of them will give us 12 credits. They are the 5th most valuable resource in the solar system. See once again how relatively easy it is to find the ring rocks on Saturn, looking from above. And after adjusting the position of the spaceship, just mine. Use the jetpack sparingly until you reach Rings Rock. And spam it if you need to get back together. With the ship's position well adjusted, even if you make a mistake with the jetpack, it will be easier to resume mining and return to the ship. Now that we have the rings rocks and rings crystals from Uranus and Saturn, let's look at the difference that complements this grinding technique. And maybe you're already imagining what we're going to talk about. Yes, let's go to Icarus, to the sun, to get the sun Onyx. I've been trying to approach Icarus differently, through its shadow, as this seems to do a little less damage to the ship. Of course, it could just be my impression. Let's experience the power and beauty of the sun. Now more than ever, good positioning and angle make all the difference. There is one golden rule in Space Simulator, which is, don't play games with the sun, so get out as quickly as possible. And see how this angle towards Mercury makes the ship escape the dangers of the sun faster. Now let's go back to Earth, sell the resources to Martin. Since we got to ring crystals and the sun Onyx, the reward should be good. It's beautiful to see the Earth as we approach from space. Hello Martin, today I brought several items for you. Cool, 60 credits equals to Voyager Golden Records. This grinding method can be useful when you don't want to go to the centaurs and stay closer. It is also excellent to alternate with other methods, as you get better at mining ring rocks. And if you are lucky enough to find some ring crystals, it can help you in the evolution of your ships in Space Simulator in Roblox. Thanks for watching the video. See you, Space Explorers.